would you be able to describe this biscuit in French and tell me what flavor it has? Well, in today's video, we are going to look at 25 adjectives to describe food. C'est sucré. Knowing adjectives to describe food in French is really good because it will enrich your vocabulary. And moreover, if you go to the restaurant with a French person, you will impress them. If you want the support guide for this video, it's absolutely possible. Just join my YouTube channel, become a member. And if you want the quiz for this video, have a look at learnfrenchwithalexa.com, my awesome website where there are hundreds of quizzes. Okay, so let's have a look at 25 adjectives that are going to describe food. The first one is amer. Amer. So something which is amer, something which is bitter. Amer. Now you will notice in that list that the E added to the words, the adjective means that it's the feminine version of that adjective. Okay, sometimes the spelling varies. So here we go. Aromatisé. Aromatisé, and that means flavored. Something which is aromatisé is something which is flavored. Bon ou bonne, and that is tasty or good. So, c'est bon, okay, that's tasty. C'est bon, that's good. If you wanted to describe something as being exquisite, we have the word for it. Well, it's pretty much the same. We say exquis ou exquise for a piece of food that is feminine. Now, saying that something is creamy in French, you would say crémeux ou crémeuse. Again, have a look at the adjective changing, the spelling changing, whether, according to whether you're talking about a masculine word or a feminine word. So crémeux with an X becomes crémeuse feminine. U-S-E at the end. Délicieux, délicieuse. Well, I don't have to translate this. It means delicious, absolutely. Délicieux, délicieuse. Oh, cette soupe est délicieuse. So because soup is feminine, then the adjective we will use is délicieuse, okay? They match. Feminine adjective with a feminine noun. Écœurant, écœurante, and that is sickly, sickly. Écœurant ou écœurante. If you eat something like something that is too buttery, you might say c'est écœurant. Écœurant. If you notice that in the word écœurant, you have the word cœur, and that means heart. Cœur. So it's quite sickly in your heart, in your stomach. Épicé. Something which is épicé is something which is spicy. So you can describe cette nourriture est épicée ou je n'aime pas la nourriture épicée. I do not like spicy food. Fade. Fade. And that is bland. Fade. C'est fade. Ça n'a pas de goût. It has no taste. C'est fade. Fondant ou fondante. Now you may have heard of that word from fondue, as in the cheese recipe, where we melt cheese and we put a piece of bread in it and it's yummy. C'est fondant. But fondant can be used for something tender. So you can talk about meat being fondant. It melts in your mouth, basically. So fondant ou fondante. Frais, fraîche. Okay, quite simply, it's fresh. C'est frais. Les fraises sont fraîches. Okay, these strawberries are really fresh. Okay, frais. Fruité ou fruité, double E. So what do you think that means? That's right. It is fruity. And it comes from the word fruit. Le fruit, the fruit. So describe it as an adjective, add an E accent or double E. Fruité, fruité. Juteux ou juteuse, and that means juicy. Juteux, juteuse. Un jus d'orange is an orange juice. Something which is mauvais is bad. So you would describe something as being mauvais ou mauvaise. Mauvaise and bad to describe food as well as a characteristic, you know, of someone can be mauvais. But food, mauvais. Do you know what moist is in French? Moist. This one is really bizarre. It is moelleux. Moelleux. So what I like to say in French, moelleux. Moelleux ou moelleuse. Okay, and that means moist. You can talk about un gâteau, the cake. Un gâteau est moelleux. The cake is moist. Ce gâteau est moelleux. What about creamy? Creamy is onctueux ou onctueuse. Onctueux. Donc, vous pouvez parler d'un chocolat chaud. Le chocolat chaud est onctueux. Creamy. Piquant. Piquante. That's hot. Piquant. Piquante. That's hot. And not hot as in chaud, as in hot, you know, chaud ou froid, hot or cold, but piquant as in hot, extremely spicy. So, très épicé, I could say as well. Something which is poivré, poivré, comes from poivre. So it's something which is peppery. Poivré, poivré, okay? And it comes from poivre, which means pepper. Raffiné, raffiné. And this is refined. Like, vous pouvez parler de pâtisserie raffinée, par exemple. Refined patisserie, for example. What about refreshing? Talking about a iced tea or something like that. Ce thé glacé est rafraîchissant, par exemple. Ce jus d'orange est rafraîchissant, par exemple. You can say that. Cette salade de fruits est rafraîchissante, if it's a feminine word. Rafraîchissante. If you want to talk about food being well seasoned, you would say relevé. Relevé as well, okay? C'est un plat relevé, seasoned. Salty. You use sel as the noun, but we use salé as the adjective. So salé. Cette nourriture est salée. Salé. Something flavorsome is savoureux ou savoureuse. OK? Flavorsome, c'est savoureux. Et ça a beaucoup de goût. And goût is taste. C'est savoureux, savoureuse. What about something that is sweet? So you know that sweet is a sugar, is sucre, okay, as a noun. So you can imagine what the adjective is going to be. Sucré. Well done. So, ce gâteau est trop sucré. This cake is too sweet. Ce gâteau est trop sucré. And to finish, we would like to say, we, as in me and I, succulent. Succulent means succulent. Okay, that's the same word. So, succulent, to describe something exquisite or exquis. Exquis, so savoureux, exquis, succulent. So you've got a lot of words to describe food here, and it will be interesting if you did that at home. Next time you eat something, can you describe it as being good or bad or bland or exquisite or tasty or spicy? That would be a great exercise. Why don't you leave in the comment actually what you've eaten and what it tasted like? I'd love to hear about that. Now, that's it for me. Remember to subscribe and to leave a comment and to check me out on YouTube. No, you're on YouTube. On Instagram and TikTok, and learn French with Alexa.com is awesome too. Bye-bye. Bisous, bisous. Il est où le biscuit? I'm going to finish that biscuit now. Je suis gourmande. I'm greedy.